Hello everybody, welcome back to TechnoWaves, your one-stop channel for latest tech updates and gadget reviews. Today I have something really exciting. So I have again brought another video of projector, the AND Esports View 6111 smart projector. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly smart projector for movies, gaming or even presentations, then stay tuned because we are going to unbox it, test it out and see if it's worth your money. Let's get started. Let's unbox it first. You can see it has a smart projector, FHD up to 1920 to 1080 pixel, built-in speaker 2. It contains dual bat supports. It has manual focus, and on the side we get some special features as you can see. And here is some specification, and the model number is View 611, operating system Android 12, RAM is 2 GB. Inside, first we got this projector unit itself. You can see guys, what a stylish design, very compact, and the branding of AND Esports comes in gray color. Then we get a remote control for easy navigation and a power cable and one HDMI cable to connect with your laptop, PC or consoles, and one user manual. And additionally we got this 120-inch of simple projection screen. Yes guys, you can see now we can easily screen our projector. Build quality looks very solid, and you can see it comes in a gray color, very stylish design and very solid, built of solid plastic material, and it also has the inbuilt speakers. On the back we have ports including one HDMI input, USB port and auxiliary input, and this is the, I think this is the LED indicator light. And here we got the power input. On the top you can see the stylish shimmering design, and on the top we get this power button also. In the front we have the projector light. About its design and features, this projector comes with a stylish compact design and it's super easy to carry. Some of the main features includes it has 1080 pixel of full HD resolution support, smart functionality with built-in apps, supports like YouTube, Netflix, and it has Wi-Fi and screen mirroring, so you can easily connect your smartphone wirelessly. And also it has built-in speaker for direct audio output. And this projector declares it has a brightness up to 4000 lumens with projection mode up to front, rear and hosting. Image aspect ratio will be 16:9 and projector light source is LED. Now let's go for setup and testing. So setting up is pretty simple, just plug, and here you can see the light, it is on now. Now next, connect your Wi-Fi and you are good to go. You can see here I have connected to my Wi-Fi. Now go back to home page. You can see guys, the interface is user friendly, just like a smart TV. Now you can watch Netflix, YouTube, Disney, anything you want, and you can access. Just search here you can use YouTube. You can see guys, I have opened the YouTube. So here's how the output looks on the white screen guys. 1080 pixel clarity is impressive for the price range, and text is readable, which means it can even be used for presentation also, and you can clearly see the pictures. Very nice display, and the built-in speaker is decent, but for the best experience I recommend connecting your external speaker also. So about its pros and cons, The first pros is this affordable price for a smart projector. Yes guys, it is very affordable price for a smart projector. Comes between 15 to 16,000 and it is full HD clarity with vibrant colors as you have already seen. Easy wireless connectivity and screen mirroring. You will got this power cable that's connected and you can use wireless connectivity by Wi-Fi. But about its cons, built-in speaker is average and works best in low light dark rooms and not ideal for competitive games due to the minor input lags. So overall guys, this Ant Esports View 611 smart projector is a fantastic option if you're looking for a budget-friendly projector for home entertainment, casual gaming or even presentations. So if you enjoyed this unboxing and reviewing, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Technowaves for more awesome tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you use this projector for movies, gaming or office work? Thanks for watching guys.